think I'm going to need some ciabatta today. Time to make the sponge. I've got my scale, some water, yeast, and flour. So beautiful. This is instant yeast, and I add it to my flour. I've got my salt, my yeast, and some flour in the bowl. Time to get excited. Time to get excited. Oh, this is very exciting. What am I going to do next? This is a quick tip. I buy a pound of instant yeast and I keep it in a Ziploc bag and I keep it in my freezer. This will keep it all year long for all my baking needs. This is a dough scraper. This is what adds to easy combining of any dough so your bowl isn't messy and yucky. And voila! Here we are. See, my dough scraper is not sticky, it's not messy. I can get the sides of the bowl and bring it to the center. So this is not a difficult task. Now this is just the sponge. So you can see I'm trying to combine it, but there's no kneading. This is just a starter for the ciabatta bread. So this is really the consistency that you want to be looking for, because this is going to be sitting for 6 to 24 hours at room temperature. But again, if you don't have one of those dough scrapers, you've got to get one. Now the hardest part, plastic wrap is not my friend, but you want to tuck your nice little starter in overnight and leave it on the counter so it'll be ready for the next step.